Hello, thank you for visiting your Ayurvedic consultant. I'm Laurina Carroll. It's my pleasure to be your guide to natural health, including nutrition, fitness, meditation, and skincare, and all resulting in increased wellness, emotional well-being, and a more balanced, natural life. I'm glad you're here. You can start at the About Ayurveda tab below to learn all about Maharishi Ayurveda, or What is TM tab to learn about Transcendental Meditation. The Services tab will offer you the right starting point for you, whether it's a class in meditation, fitness, or cooking. Or you can go directly to the Nutritional and Lifestyle Consultations option to connect right away for a wellness assessment and plan for a natural approach to better health. The Shops tab will connect you to the very best herbs and Arbonne products. If you scroll down a bit, you can learn more about my book, Perfect Health for Busy People, as well as gift cards, family packages, and more. I'd love for us to get to know each other, so please feel free to explore the Meet Laurina blog and contact tabs, and let's get started together on your Ayurveda journey to health and happiness.